lesson today is called growing train. We've practiced using the what? What is this one? Equals, and we use the plus sign. So today we're going to play growing train, which we're going to use those symbols. So our key vocabulary today: add, count on, forward, equal, join, plus. So now we're going to practice some of our number stories that we practiced on Wednesday. So let's see. Molly has 5 books. So do you remember how we used our counters to help us solve? I need us to help to use counters. So Jacob, can you come up here and show me how many counters we would need? For Molly has 5 books. Cameron, sit up, please. We already went. Can you put them up here? That way it's easy to tell. Good. Okay, now let's listen to the next part, Alexis. She checked out 1 more book. So what are we going to do, Carter? She has 5 books, so we have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She checked out 1 more book. What are we going to do?
Put 1 more.
Put 1 more. Can you put 1 more up here, please? Good job.
6.
Thank you. And that's how many?
6.
6. Alexis, over here, please. Okay, what number do we need to write? How many did Jacob bring up first? 5. How many did Carter add?
6.
Oh, how many did Carter add? 1. And now we have 6 because we had to count all of them. 5 and 1 more is 6. Okay. The next problem says Rob has 6 trucks. 6 trucks. Owen, what do we need to do? Can you come up and help us? He has 6 trucks. How many counters are we gonna move up to show that number story? 6. Yeah. 6. Zoe, you need to be watching up here. Good. He has how many? 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. He has 6 now. So what number needs to go here? 6. Okay. Mark has 3 trucks, and we want to know how many they have in all together. So how many are we going to add up here? We're going to put up here. How many did Mark have, Liam?
3.
3. So we're going to put a 3. 6 plus 3. Liam, have you had a turn yet? Okay.
I haven't.
Okay, but I'm looking for friends that are paying attention. Are going to be able to help us out. Can you move 3 more up there? Good. Now we need to count all of them. Thank you, Liam. Let's count, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do they have in all? 9. So help me read this. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Good job. Okay. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to make a growing train. That was our lesson. That's what our lesson is called. And it also has a Connect Ed game that we're going to play. What we're going to do is we're going to roll the dice. So I'm going to roll the dice. And then how many friends are going to come up here? 2 and get on our train. 2 friends. And we're going to make our train right here. So let's see. Elena, will you come roll, please? To see how many friends we need to add. Go ahead and roll the dice. How many friends are going to come up here? 3. Okay, Elena, you can start. You can be number 1. Okay, Keely, come on up. Now how many? many do we have?
2.
2. Okay, we still need to add how many more friends? 1 more. Kelsey, come up here. Okay, Cameron, will you roll? So how many do we have right now on our train? 3. How many does Cameron say we need to add?
1.
Okay, so 3 plus 1 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, Owen, will you roll? Okay, so we had 4 before he rolled. 4 plus, how many do we need to add? 2. So Owen is 1. Carter, come up. Carter is 2. So 4 plus 2, let's count how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Liam, go up and roll, please. Just touch. Yep. It'll roll. Okay, so we had 6. And how many does Liam say we need to add? 6 plus 3. So Liam's 1. Jacob, you're 2. And Zoe, come up. You're 3. So let's count how many 6 plus 3 is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alex, will you go roll, please? How many? 2. So we had 9. Now we need to add 2 more. Jacob, don't do that. 1. And Alexis, come up. Is 2. So 9 plus 2. Let's see how many that equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Come up and roll, Jolyn. Can you just, boys, will you let her sneak behind you? How many does she say to add? 3. Okay, Jolyn, will you go add up? That's 1. Mrs. Ackman and I will have to join too. So we had 11 plus 3. Let's count how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I want you to walk back to your dot, but stay standing. Walk back to your dot, but stay standing. Okay, I want you to do, we're going to whisper count 17 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, oh, just 17. Now we are going to do 13 jumping jacks. We're going to whisper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now reach up. Okay, reach down. Okay, stand up. We're going to take 2 deep breaths. Ready? In your nose, out your mouth. 1 more in your nose, and out your mouth. All right, we should feel a little bit more relaxed. Please have a seat, crisscross. Kelsey, have a seat. Speak back, please, so I don't step on you. Okay, we are going to play Growing Train. Okay, so to go to ConnectEd, you're going to click on our app that we made. Then what do you need to do?
Click your name.
Click your name. Do you guys know where my name is?
Yeah,
Kelsey. Keely, will you come show us, please? Where's my name? Yes, good. England 2021. And I have Carter. So Carter, do you know what picture you are?
Read the names.
Do you see it? Yep. So we're going to click on Carter. And Carter's picture code 1 apple triangle.
1 apple triangle.
Okay, and then you're going to scroll down. You're going to click login. What do we then what? Do you guys know what comes next?
We have that book.
Yep, then the games, the spinner. Okay, now today we're gonna play the train game. Okay, we've already played this game. Today we're gonna play Growing Train 1. Do you see how it has a 1?
Yes.
Oh, I guess that one does too, but this is growing. Okay, we're adding. Okay, let's listen to how they say to play.
I already know.
Let's play Growing Train. Here we go. Click the sign to get a number.
All right, so let's click the sign.
1.
Add the same number of train cars as shown on the sign. Drag each car to add it to your train. Then click OK.
So just like what we did with using us, we're gonna do with train cars. So how many are we gonna move up?
1.
1. Now what do I need to do?
Click OK.
Click OK.
You're right.
Now it's the computer.
Okay, now what do I do?
Do it again.
How do I get numbers though?
Click the sign.
Click, yep, the green circle. Cameron, can you click it? Good. How many are we gonna add?
3.
3. Kelsey, can you move up 1 train car?
Watch on the screen.
Yep. 1. Okay, can you add 1, Keely? 2. Owen, can you add 1? 3. Now what do we do? Do we keep adding?
No.
No, what do we need to do?
Okay.
We have to click OK. Alex, can you click OK? Good. Now what do we need to do? Liam, what do we do next?
No.
Can you click it? Good. How many do we need to add? 3. Carter, can you add up 1? Jacob, she asked you nicely. 1. Okay, Zoe, can you add up 1? 2. 3. Now what do we do, Alexis?
Click OK.
All right. What's the next step?
You're right.
Elena, what do we do next? Okay. Jacob, how many do we need to add? Good. Okay, everyone's had a turn, correct?
Click OK.
Okay, we're gonna click OK.
You're right.
Okay, now what?
Click.
Yep, we just keep going until we get all the way filled up, or until there's no more train cars.
Why? Choo-choo.